what's up everyone?
Hi everyone, I'm Terrence.
So Terrence, how was your riding experience for our brand new Scooter 4 Ultra?
It was awesome. It's so much better than any other scooter that I've tried. I can't believe I made it down those stairs back there so easily.
I'm so happy to hear that. When I first learned that our Scooter 4 Ultra could achieve this experience, I was so excited because it's really beyond my imagination. That's the reason why I couldn't wait to get my hands on one to introduce this scooter to everyone. I think that's a really amazing scooter to consider purchasing.
Yeah, not gonna lie, I was pretty nervous about falling down back there, but the descent actually felt really comfortable and super smooth. It was kind of bouncy.
Yeah, do you know why? It's all thanks to our dual suspension system.
Oh, no wonder the shock absorption was so good.
Yes, you can see there are two supporting arms in the front and also in the rear. That is so-called dual suspension system. And in this system, that is full with rubber, so the whole machine will like the gummy candy.
Wow, that's super cool.
And on the top of this, our large 10-inch Xiaomi Duragil tires, which is air-full and self-sealing, even some gravels, absolutely at ease.
For sure, normally my teeth would be chattering after riding down steps like those.
Aside from the dual suspension system, we also enhance the clearance of the deck into 21 centimeters. Also, it helps tackle some pretty intensive obstacle and terrain without scraping against the bottom of the deck.
Wow, no wonder it's called the Ultra. Yeah, I could keep my stance wide and super stable for a comfortable ride, and my feet could fit on the entire width of the deck.
Because actually we redesigned the scooter and we enhanced the deck into 800 centimeters square and the handlebar also enhanced into 55 centimeters. That's all because this baby, the riding range will be 17 kilometers.
Wow, 70 kilometers?
That's true.
That's crazy.
Yeah, for me, like my daily commute would be like 5 kilometers per day. So for me, actually, I charge it once a week and I get a worry-free riding.
Coming uphill just now felt great. The torque and acceleration didn't sag at all. I couldn't even tell I was riding up a slope.
That's right. Our rear motor is rated up to 940 watts of the power, and the entire driving machine was especially designed for optimized efficiency and the torque. So you can see the slope you just rode up right now is just a piece of cake compared to what it can really do.
Wow, that's amazing. What else can it do?
Okay. Want to give a shot?
You can't be serious right now.
Oh, I mean it. Aside from what we just mentioned about our Scooter 4 Ultra, there is a ton of upgrades and features. You can learn more and try one out by yourself at our local Xiaomi store. There might be an even big sale. Thanks everyone for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
Xiaomi.